Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a GeegPay account that allows you to receive international payment and gives you the access to easily convert these funds to your local currency. So if you've always wanted to have a US bank account that gives you the ability to convert your dollar to naira without having to sell the dollar before you have naira, then GeegPay gives you the ability to do this. So all you need to do is just send your account payment to whoever wants to send you money, and once the money lands in your GeegPay account, you have the ability to convert it to naira using the black market rate. All right, so this is not going to be converted using the official rate, but you gain access to the black market rate and have it in your naira currency and withdraw it to any bank account you want. All right, so if this is something you like to do, then this video is for you. All right, so like I said, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily create your GeegPay account. All right, so the first thing you want to do once you get to the page, and if you don't have a link to the page, you can actually check the description of the video. So once you get to the link of the page, you can see something like this. So all you simply want to do is just click on create an account. So once you click on create an account, it's going to pop up this page, and you have the option to choose the account you want to create. So if you want to create a business account, this is what you're going to choose, and if you want to create a personal account, then you should go for the freelancer account. So once you click on the freelancer account, it's going to ask you to select the country you are creating the account from. All right, so obviously I'm in Nigeria, so I'm just going to leave it in Nigeria. And if you are from Kenya, you can also choose Kenya because they now support Kenya as well. So after that, all you simply need is to just click on continue here. So once you click on continue, it's going to ask you to enter your email address. So once you enter your email address, they're going to send a link to your email address, and from there you can now continue your account creation. So I did have an account already. I'm going to walk you through the next step of what you have to do. So once you've created your account, this is the next thing you're going to do. It's going to ask you to create your personal profile, then also complete your employment details and verify your identity. So for you to verify your identity, you have to upload your national ID card and stuffs like that. So these are things you can easily do on your own. Then also add a bank account that you want to withdraw your money to. All right, so this is for the remaining two. So this is the most important one: your personal profile and your employment details. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on the personal profile here. So here you're going to enter your name. Here you're going to enter your nationality. Then here you're going to enter your phone number. All right, so I'm quickly going to enter my phone. Just choose the account that you would like to receive payment with, then get it, and you have a customized account with any of this currency that is going to be in your name. All right, so this is basically how you can set up an account with GeegPay. All right, so if you find the video interesting, please don't forget to like the video, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.